1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Was not the greatest day.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's be decent human beings.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Thunk sound that it makes when it closes.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
I think there are a lot of interesting possibilities.
25, 26, 27, 28.
It's a step in the right direction.
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
And it's about to flip the smartphone world inside out.
99, 100, 199, 200.
Essentially getting a phone and tablet all in one device.
297, 298, 299, 300.
Ready to come back down to earth?
02, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 3...
Samsung rates it good for 200,000 open closes, which
445, 446, 447, 448, 449, 450,
They folded this device 200,000 times.
451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456, 497, 498, 499, 500.
If I shut the screen, my guess,
501, 502, 503, 504, 505,
24 hours, things went from hey,
619, 620,
Candy bar sort of feel.
621, 622, 623, 624, 625, 716, 717, 718, 719.
And then when you flip it open, you probably about the crease down in the middle where it folds.
720, 721, 722, 723.
And also, I gotta say, the actual closing and unfolding movement is extremely satisfying.
726, 727, 728, 729, 730.
You got your Snapdragon 855,
891,
12 gigs of RAM,
892, 893,
your 512 gigs of storage, not expandable.
the mechanical reality of the display.
995, 996, 997, 998, 999, 1,000.
so here we are 24 hours later.
Yes, you can see it.
Yes, you can see the crease,
Yes, you can feel it.
and yes, you can even feel it.
This thing is absolutely solid.
But I do think the Galaxy Fold is the future of smartphones.